Today on Makeshift Crate, I'm doing this Phoenix picture for Jess. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this is Makeshift Crate, and today we're going to do some artwork. It's been a little while, and I think it's time to do something cool. So, Jess wants a picture of a phoenix. I've never done a phoenix, so that's what we're going to do. But to make it more complicated, we're going to do the whole thing in ink. Because why not? Yeah. So, let's get started. Okay, so we are just using regular art pens, pencil, some drawing inks, and some watercolor paper. Nothing special. You can pick all this up from your local art store. So we're going to tape this down to give us a nice border, and then start drawing this out. Okay, we got a rough idea of what we're going to do, just a rough sketch. We're going to do the rest in pen until we start adding color. So basic line drawing's done. We're going to start adding colors. So we just got yellow, orange, red, brown, and obviously white and black. The white and the black we're not going to use till like the very end to do our shadows and to do our highlights. All the coloring is pretty much going to be done with the red, orange, and yellow, with maybe a little bit of brown here and there. So you might notice that I'm not really worrying about staying in the lines and stuff like that, because this is all fire and it's gonna bleed and blend and all that stuff anyway. So I almost feel like I could probably almost just go over all of this with just yellow. Not the outsides, obviously, but everything in here. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll come back and darken up where I need to darken up with some brown, maybe around the edges a little bit. I'm not sure yet. right, ready?
I'm ready.
Set.
Oh, that's really pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I really love it, babe. Thank you.
I redid it on the back side. I started over.
Oh, look, that's so pretty.
It's still a little wet. Be careful.
Still, it's very pretty.
All done. She likes it. I like it. Didn't matter if I liked it as much as if she liked it, but I did it, so whatever. There are going to be other artwork videos here. Probably going to cover up her face, but she'll get over it. Covering up my face is going to be another video of some sort. Not sure what that is. You can subscribe down here, and we'll see you next week. See you guys.